What if I told you that TikTok has already created more millionaires in the last 3 years than YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook combined? And what if I told you that with one click, you could tap into this traffic gold mine without filming a single video, without editing, and without guessing what works? Sounds impossible? That's exactly what people thought about crypto before Bitcoin exploded. That's what they thought about YouTube before creators started making millions. And that's what they said about Facebook ads before they turned regular people into millionaires. But by the time they realized what was happening, it was already too late. Right now, TikTok is the biggest traffic source on the planet. It has more daily searches than Google. It's more addictive than YouTube. And it's the #1 platform where products go viral and sell out overnight. Yet most people have no idea how to crack the algorithm. They post random videos, get 100 views, and give up. Meanwhile, a small group of smart marketers are waking up to millions of views, endless sales, and explosive growth on autopilot. What's their secret? They don't do the work manually. AI does it for them. And today, you can have that same unfair advantage. Here's the cold, hard truth. If you're not posting 5 to 7 times a day, TikTok's algorithm ignores you. But let's be honest, who has time to create that much content? Creating just one TikTok takes 2 hours brainstorming ideas, 1 hour filming and retakes, 3 hours editing captions, cuts, and effects, 30 minutes posting and optimizing hashtags. And even after all that work, most videos die in silence. No engagement, no traffic, no sales. The truth is, going viral isn't luck, it's a formula. And now, AI has cracked the formula for you. Imagine waking up and seeing your TikTok videos already live, already getting views, already pulling in traffic and sales. While you were sleeping, TokAI was working for you. AI scans 10,000 plus viral videos daily to find trends before they explode. AI creates high engagement TikToks in seconds. No filming or editing needed. AI auto posts them at peak times, ensuring the algorithm pushes them to millions. And just like that, your TikTok starts blowing up while you do nothing. This isn't just another video tool. It's a completely automated system that makes sure every video you post follows the exact formula for viral success. The best part? It works for anyone, no matter your niche, experience level, or background. Whether you're an e-com seller, affiliate marketer, coach, influencer, or even just someone looking to make side income. Hey, my name is Siyun, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you TokAI, world's first AI TikTok manager that scans 10,000 TikToks a day and auto-generates instant viral clips and posts it for you, all on complete autopilot. TokAI does all the hard work for you. No camera, no editing, no stress, just massive TikTok traffic, engagement, and sales on autopilot. Still skeptical? Here's proof. A TikTok shop product video, AI created, AI posted, pulled in 3.2 million views, and sold out in 48 hours. An affiliate marketing clip, AI generated, 1.7 million views, and endless commissions rolling in. A coaching video, AI optimized, 2.9 million views, and 80,000 new followers in days. And these results aren't rare. They happen every single day for people using TokAI. Because when AI handles the work, success is inevitable. Let me ask you something. If you had a time machine, would you go back and invest in Bitcoin before it exploded? Would you build a YouTube channel in 2010 before it became overcrowded? Would you dominate Instagram before brands started paying millions for influencer marketing? Of course you would. Right now, TikTok is that next billion-dollar wave. But in 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, it'll be too late. The smart ones are getting in now, before everyone else floods in and makes it impossible to break through. This is your moment. You have 2 choices. Keep scrolling TikTok and watching others get rich. Activate TokAI and let AI do all the work while you sit back and collect results. The choice is yours. But if you wait, you'll be watching from the sidelines while others take over. Click the button below. Activate TokAI today and start getting massive TikTok traffic, engagement, and sales on autopilot. The TikTok gold rush is happening now. Are you in or out?